Hi, this is Chris Allen, and here's an update for week 12. In AP Calculus, we started looking at Chapter 3, which is going to involve applications of differentiation. So, for example, we just looked at increasing and decreasing functions, and then this week we'll look at things like concavity and points of inflection. Also of note is this Thursday will be our Chapter 2 test. So I gave them a review last week. We've been reviewing since last week. The big test, though, is this week, Thursday. In Calc BC, we have finished up Chapter 5, which is on differential equations. And now we're kind of moving into Chapter 6, which is going to be on area between curves and volumes. About half of the content in this unit is review from last year, but half of it is some new stuff. In geometry, we are going to be moving into Chapter 3, which is on transformations. Specifically today, we'll look at something called a translation. This week, Thursday and Friday, they will have their Chapter 3 test. The good news is on the test, I am going to let them use some notes. And again, the review for that was given last week. Tests are important though, so I'm encouraging students to be well prepared for the test. Some final thoughts. Again, as always, I keep kind of preaching this in my classes, is Canvas is kind of the one-stop shop for all things in terms of what's going on in Mr. Allen's classes, whether that be notes or reviews or, hey, what are we doing this week? Also, tomorrow, October 29th, Tuesday, we will be proctoring the PSAT test to all freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. Seniors have been given some options for things that they can do tomorrow. Like, for example, they can do a scheduled college visit or something like that. So we will not be having traditional school tomorrow, but grades 9, 10, and 11 will be doing the PSAT test free of charge. Next Tuesday, November 5th, is, of course, our general election day. We will not have students in the building that day. That will be what we call an asynchronous learning day. So students do not come to school that day. They will stay at home and log in on their computers from home. We are a polling site, and we're preparing for possibly a big turnout. So that will be a asynchronous learning day. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via Parent Squared, and I will be glad to communicate with you. Have a great week.